Welcome to Advanced Vedic Mathematics course, Panini Ashtadhayayi Sthapatya. In this lesson 31, we shall be focusing upon the Formulation Sutra. Formulation Sutra is having structural key features for the sutras, formulations, scriptures. Sa, U, Ta, Ra, and A. It is a word one. Its syllables are two. Its letters are 5. And its TCV value is 15. 3, 6, 4, 1, and 1. 3, 9, 13, 14, and 15. This formulation sutra as static to dynamic state will add 15 to 13, that is dimension of 15, total is 28. It is the formulation of a Brahm. So sutra formulation inherently along with its dimension is leading to Brahman domain. So sutra formulation deserves to be appreciated properly as 1, 3, 8, and 23. And formulation 23 TC value, it is Anant, infinite. It is Shahishtra, means artifices 1 to thousands will take us to this. It's Janma, birth. So the sutra is availing this format, reaching up till this, is the feature which deserves to be comprehended well. And 23 is 3 plus 5 plus 3 multiplied by 5, 23. That is a 5-space domain of a solid order leading us to these features. And when we are 3 plus 5 multiplied by 3 cross 5, it makes 120, and so it takes us to the transcendental boundary of 12 components within creative boundary of 10 components, and it is the basically full life for a Purusha. So Purusha is having complete life span 125, 120, and this together with 1 unit more, 125, is the life of Lord Krishna. And this is 125, which is taking us from Prithvi, Apa, Agni, Vayu, Akash, and ahead Surya, Dhruv, and Vishnu. So 25, 19, 13, 8, 13, 14, 8, and 25. This is 68 Panchama and it is the value of Now this value 125 we know makes 5 3 5 cube, and that way is the total Varga consonants. And this feature further takes us that when one cube is approached as a setup of 8 cubes, then the 8 subcubes lead us to structural components 75 and 50, 125. So sadhakas fulfilled with intensity of urge to glimpse the sthapatya of Ashtadhayayi of Panini shall begin with the formulation Panini, Ashtadhayayi, and Sthapatya. These triple formulation 22, 24, and 26. Then the second group is to be with Sutra itself. Sutra is the formulation which we have seen for its first followed word, syllables, letters, and TC value takes us to 23. Now the other 6 TCB folds of this formulation deserve to be chased. So let us chase the other 6 folds of formulation sutra. Formulation sutra is having first fold as a word, second fold as syllables, and it is the second fold as syllables, which are 3. Then as letters we are having 5, and the TCB we are having as fourth fold, it is 15. Now this formulation, when is taken sa, u, ta, ra, and na, when this is supplet, then it takes us 4, 9, and 24. So one step ahead of 23. Now 24 is the value as of a Purusha. So one shall have a precaution here that this formulation tra, a composite formulation, when is supplet as ta and ra, as a composition of pair of letters, then the number of letters will become 5, and it is in this context that this is to be appreciated. The other folds are the TT. Now see, for here it is -3, and here is 15, together is 12. For FF frequency, these are 80 and 12, 4 into 20 plus 12 plus 24. It is 80, 12, 92, 116. Then it is going to be F. Now see, 3 Triya is 8, Shat 6 is 10, Ta Chatur is 12, Ek is 8, and A Ek is 8, it is 8 plus 10 plus 12 plus 8 plus 8, it is 18, then 30, 38, and then 46. Now H, we know here the value 3 takes us to H3, which is 10. Here 6, H6 takes to 22. Here 4, H4 is 14. Here's 1, H1 is 2. Here 1, H1 is 2. It is 10, 32, 46, 48, and 50. Now the formulation range raw, it takes us to the value of 9, 18, 42, 42, and 42 multiplied by 5 is 210. Then SR, it is 2 times 210 plus 24, it is 420 plus 24 is 444. These are the formulations values. So 1, then it is 2 syllables, then it is going to be 5 letters, then it is 15. Thereafter the values are 116, and it is going to be FF 116, this is 12, followed by 46, then it is 50, then it is 210, and is 444. This is a range of 10 folds. So it is 1, 3, 8, and 23. Then 12 makes 35. 116 becomes 151. 46 adds 197. 50, when it is added, it is 247. 210 makes it 457. And 441, 11, 8, 10, 8, 901. So sutra formulation of its 10 folds take us to value 901. 915 into 60. So it is a feature which deserves to be appreciated as that transcendental boundary of 12 components, and we are having a dimensional frame 15. So it is this feature which is available to us. So it is 901. 39 is the dimensional format. It is 940. So out of 4000, this much is the value here itself. It is 3060. It means 30 multiplied by 102. And it is a feature which is a 2 space. So it is this attainment which is there in terms of the formulation sutra itself. Sadhakas are fulfilled with intensity of virtue shall sit comfortably and visit and revisit this formulation. It is 5 space and its 3 space dimension as a split into a pair of 3 dimensions, and half of it saw with U, Ta,